नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जीके रैपिड फायर में। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, आज हमारा बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट सेशन है। सबको डर लगा रहता है कि मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री में कैसे नंबर लाएं। हमने इसके लिए भी एक जोड़ तोड़ इलाज लेके आ चुके हैं। 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इस सेशन में। ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Which one among the following statement regarding Bal Gangadhar Tilak is not correct? First, he propounded the theory of Arctic home of the Aryans. B. He founded the Anti-Cow Killing Society. C. He set up the Home Rule League at Pune. D. He supported the Age of Consent Bill. And the answer is A. He propounded the theory of Arctic home of the Aryans is not correct. Second question. Which one among the following principles was not propagated by the Theosophic Society? Believe in karma and rebirth, believe in universal brotherhood and humanity, believe in Vedantic philosophy, believe in the eradication of untouchability. And the answer is A. Belief in karma and rebirth. Third question. Which one of the following is considered the Magna Carta of the Indian people? A. The Government of India Act 1858. B. The Albert Bill. C. Indian Councils Act of 1892. D. Queen Victoria's Proclamation. And the answer is D. Queen Victoria's Proclamation. Fourth question. Which of the following newspaper was started by Annie Besant? A. The Hindu. B. Indian Express. C. The Times of India. D. New India. And the answer is D. New India. Fifth question. Who among the following was the real founder of Aligarh Muslim University? A. Nawab Salimullah. B. Syed Ahmad Khan. C. Abul Kalam Azad. D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And the answer is B. Syed Ahmad Khan. Sixth question. Which of the following events inspired for the formation of the Home Rule Leagues? A. First World War. B. Just before the First World War. C. After the First World War. D. After the passing of the Act of 1909. And the answer is A. First World War. Seventh question. Which of the following leader was not associated with extremist leadership of Indian National Congress? A. Lokmanya Tilak. B. Aurobindo Ghosh. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. D. A.O. Hume. And the answer is D. A.O. Hume. Eighth question. Which of the following provision is a part of the Government of India Act of 1919? A. Transfer of power of the Indians. B. The enlargement of the Viceroy's Executive Council. C. Remodeling of the Central Legislature. D. Doing away with the distinction between the regulation and non-regulation provinces. And the answer is A. Transfer of power to the Indians. Ninth question. When was the famous resolution non-cooperation under the inspiration of Mahatma Gandhi was adopted in a special session of the Congress held in Calcutta? A. September 1920. B. December 1922. C. October 1924. D. November 1925, and the answer is A. September 1920. 10th question. Which of the following leader organized the Swaraj Party? A. Lala Lajpat Rai and Firoz Shah Mehta. B. Sarojini Naidu and Annie Besant. C. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. D. C. Raja Gopalachari and C.Y. Chintamani. And the answer is C. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. 11th question. Why was the Khilafat movement started? A. To protest against the injustice done to Egypt. B. To protest against the injustice done to Arabia. C. To protest against the injustice done to Persia. D. To protest against the injustice done to Turkey. And the answer is D. To protest against the injustice done to Turkey. 12th question. Where did Gandhiji form the Satyagraha Sabha? A. Bombay. B. Calcutta. C. Pune. D. Nagpur. And the answer is A. Bombay. 13th question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Bhagat Singh Meerut conspiracy case. B. Ram Prasad Bismil Kakori conspiracy case. C. Chandrasekhar Azad New Delhi conspiracy. D. Surya Sen Chittagong Armory raid. And the answer is C. Chandrasekhar Azad New Delhi conspiracy. 14th question. Which of the following event was the reason for suspension of non-cooperation movement? A. The non-cooperators were not enthusiastic. B. The leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose were against it. C. Gandhiji bowed to the pressure of the British government. D. Chori Chora incident. And the answer is D. Chori Chora incident. 15th question. Which of the following trio leaders referred to as Lal, Bal and Pal during the freedom movement? Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Gopala Krishnan Gokhale. D. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and C. Raja Gopalachari. And the answer is A. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. 16th question. Which of the following incident ended the historic fast of Gandhi? A. Pune Pact. B. Issue of White Paper. C. Gandhi-Irvin Pact. And D. Arrival of Simon Commission. And the answer is A. Pune Pact. 17th question. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928? A. Morarji Desai. B. M.K. Gandhi. C. Mahadev Desai. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. And the answer is D. Vallabhbhai Patel. 18th question. Why was the Simon Commission boycotted? A. Simon was not known to be a great supporter of Indian issue. B. All the members of the commission were Englishmen. C. It was appointed before the expiry of the statutory period. D. Peaceful demonstrators were severely beaten by the police. And the answer is B. All the members of commission were Englishmen. 19th question. What was the Ilbert Bill intended for? A. To remove racial discrimination in employment. B. To enable India district magistrates and session judges to try Europeans. C. To save Indians from racial humiliation. D. To change the method of recruitment in the Indian civil service. And the answer is B. To enable India district magistrates and session judges to try Europeans. 20th question. Which of the following statement about the Government of India Act of 1935 is not correct? Diracy was established in the provinces. The viceroy was given special powers. The federal executive was the consist of the viceroy, councillors, and the ministers. The federal legislature was to be bicameral, and the answer is A. Diarchy was established in the provinces. 21st question. Which of the following leaders said that the Act of 1935 provided a machine with a strong brakes but no engine? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Vallabhbhai Patel, and the answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 22 question. The Battle of Dandiwash was fought between A. The Nizam of Hyderabad and the French, B. The English and the French, C. The English and the Hyder Ali, D. The Nawab of Carnatic and the English. And the answer is B. The English and the French. 23rd question. Which of the following Congress leader rejected the August offer of 1940? A. Lord Wavell, B. Lord Linlithgow, C. Sir George Stanley, D. Lord Wellington. And the answer is B. Lord Linlithgow. 24th question. Which of the following British officials initiated the doctrine of lapse? A. Lord Wellesley, B. Lord Auckland, C. Lord Dalhousie, and D. Warren Hastings. And the answer is C. Lord Dalhousie. And fifth question. Which of the following counterpart of the British in the Treaty of Salbai? A. The French, B. The Marathas, C. Tipu Sultan, D. The Nizam of Hyderabad. And the answer is C. Tipu Sultan. And the next question. Which of the following treaty ended the First Carnatic War? A. Salwai, B. Basin, C. Aix-la-Chapelle, D. Paris. And the answer is C. Aix-la-Chapelle. 27th question. Which of the following act had provision of Indian civil service recruitment on the basis of competitive examination? A. Charter Act of 1813, B. Government of India Act 1858, C. Charter Act of 1853, D. Charter Act of 1833. And the answer is C. Charter Act of 1853. 28th question. Who among the following was the counterpart of Tipu Sultan during the Treaty of Seringapatam? A. Warren Hastings, B. Robert Clive, C. Cornwallis, D. Dalhousie. And the answer is C. Cornwallis. 29th question. Which of the following Governor General introduced the service of railway and telegraph system? A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Bentinck. And the answer is B. Lord Dalhousie. Last and 13th question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Third Battle of Panipat 1764, B. Regulating Act 1773, C. Pitt's Act India Act 1761, D. Treaty of Allahabad 1784. And the answer is B. Regulating Act 1773. आज के सेशन के सारे क्वेश्चन समाप्त हो चुके हैं। कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसे लगी और ये बताना कि अगली वीडियो हम किस पर बनाएं। तो जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है हमारा चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको आने वाली सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू।